Hello guys, Ethel Chamomile here. It's recording, right? Okay. So in this tutorial then we are going to finally build the game. So in the previous tutorial though, we already changed the build to Android. If you don't know how to do this, then you can go to File and Build Settings and choose the Android over here, and this build button will be switch platform. You can just click that and Unity will do the rest. In case this page doesn't say anything like this, there should be a button where you can go and download the Android module thing, so you can just do that. But before we build, there are a bit of preparation that needs to be done. First, you have to go here in the edit and go to preference. You will notice that if you go to external tools in the left, you will notice this checklists under the Android. If they should be checked, right? Ideally checked, or at least has a path on them, right? You can check them again here. Ideally they are checked, and if they aren't, you can also open the hub and go to installs, and then select the Android version that you're using. Click here the three dots at the top right of it, add modules, and over here you can see the Android build support. Check that and click the little arrow over here and check the two over here too, and you can click I think it'll be install or something over here. Oh no, it's just gonna be done. And just click that and the hub will start downloading the necessary parts. Now the one I'm using was this one, not this one, but if I click here, I can't find the install modules option. That's because I didn't over here you can add, right? And you can download the Unity version. But if you add the Unity version here from using the locate, as in you already have it installed before and you didn't install it using Unity Hub, then you can't have the find module options here. What you can do is you can just go to the Unity website or something, I think, where you can download the necessary files for the build, or you can just take the parts needed from the version that already have it. Anyway, if you have already this checklist checked, you can just go to build settings, and over here we can see the compression method, right? I recommend to have it at LZ4HC because I think that's the one with most compression. And you can go here to the player settings. Now if you look here, We can see a lot of options for the for Android. I like to change the scripting backend to IL2 CPP because I think that's more that's lighter or something. And I also found out that if you want to release your app to Google Play, you have to check the ARM64 so that it can be built onto 64-bit. And over here, you can see the resolution and presentation. We want this Flappy Bird clown to only be available in landscape, so let's leave the auto rotation but uncheck the portrait once, and then after that resolution scaling mode. Yeah, that's about it. That's all the settings that needs to be done. Don't forget to save, and finally I'm gonna build. Right, I will create a new build folder here. It doesn't have to be here, it can be anywhere. I just like to put it inside my project, and then I'll call this oh right, before that you can also change the stuff over here. The company name, probably I'm gonna call this Ethel Chamomile. And the product name, I'll change it to Flappy Little Dragon. You can add an icon over here, so I just gonna add some. I'll select this. Over here, there should be. Alright, here too. Oh, it's already renamed. So it renames itself automatically, but sometimes if it doesn't, you have to manually change the package name. This one should be the company name, and this is the product name. Make sure that the format follows company name product name. Okay, so with that we can finally build. I'm just gonna click build over here and Flappy Little Dragon. I'll save, and Unity will start building. This will take a while, so yeah. I don't think we should wait in this video, so so I just gonna end it here. As for the next tutorial, I think I won't be making one in the near future. After this, I want to probably focus on making the dungeon crawling game. So like, but I can't stream it because, well, I don't have the mobile data for it. But I can still make like the vlog or something where I just record me making the game. That's a thing, right? Yeah, maybe I'll just do that, or maybe I can just play some games. I don't really know. But yeah, this is probably gonna be the last tutorial in a while. We actually created a game. Actually, yeah, we did it. I honestly never have actually finished a game before. So yes, this is the first Axel game. Well, it's not that good, sure, but we did it. and we did it together, guys. Thank you so much. Anyway, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, by the way, I'll put this game in Google Play for free. It'll take some time to process actually. So I'll upload the. I'll put the link in the description later after it's published, and probably in my Twitter and Facebook too. Facebook page, I mean. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.